For the barbecue sauce, molasses, sugar. Cook for 3 minutes. And when it just starts to melt, add in the ketchup, some water and turn the heat on low. Give this a good mix and bring everything together. Yellow mustard, mix that in. Cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, sea salt, apple cider vinegar, Worcester sauce, and soy sauce. Give this a good mix and bring it to gentle simmer on low heat. Now just turn off the heat. Delicious barbecue sauce. Done. Have a little taste. Remove the sauce in a bowl. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.
Run the other way like I'm a siren. Run the other way like I'm a siren. Run the other way like I'm a siren.